Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Ashi Talks. So in this video, we are going to talk about every doubts you are facing regarding Accenture exam. As you all know, Accenture have recently conducted an exam and many candidates have given the exam. Many candidates have been qualified for the exam. Okay, many get assessment link, they have given the exam. But the problem is about further step. The Accenture is delaying the process. So we will talk about everything in details regarding communication round, interview round, elimination round. Okay, so please watch the video till the end and join our Telegram channel regarding Accenture. There are many candidates who have participated in Accenture recruitment process are already there in the Telegram channel. So you can join our Telegram channel. You will find the link in description below, and also you can subscribe to YouTube channel. And I have made a playlist regarding Accenture. You can see on the screen. Okay, this is the Accenture recruitment. So any update regarding Accenture, you will get update in this playlist. Okay, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please sure check out this our playlist. Okay, so here you can see Accenture communication assessment. So if you have not given Accenture communication test yet, so please watch this video. There are high chances that you will clear the communication assessment if you find this if you watch this YouTube video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start our YouTube video. Okay, so first point is not receive interview mail. So many candidates have completed like their whole round. First round is like communication round. Okay, the third round is communication round, first round is cognitive coding, then third is communication, and the fourth is interview round. Okay, so they have completed all the three rounds, but they have not received any interview mail. So we will talk about that also. And the second point is communication is elimination round or not. Okay, so many candidates are having doubt like communication and coding, which round is elimination round, which round is not elimination round. Okay, so we'll talk about that. And the second point is waiting for communication round. So there are many candidates who have cleared cognitive and coding, but they have not got any mail regarding communication round. Their communication slot is not scheduled yet. Okay, so we'll talk about that and the solution regarding that. And the third point is not receive interview result. So many candidates have completed the interview, but they have not received interview result. So how much they should wait for the result? And the last point is rejection after interview. So what are the chances of getting rejected after the interview? So about the whole process I will talk in this YouTube video. So please like this YouTube video. This video will be so much helpful for you, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So as you can see on the screen, this is a timeline regarding Infosys events. Okay, so this timeline is shared by Accenture. Okay, this timeline is shared by Accenture during pre-placement talk. Okay, so first is virtual connect, second is assessment, communication test, then virtual interview, then final is result. Okay, but look at this date. So as Accenture have given you dates, they are not following dates. Okay, as you can see, you will complete your interview before 27th August, but it is not like that. It is now the timeline is updated. So don't look at that, but this is a particular process and particular steps. First is assessment. Many candidates have completed the assessment. Almost every candidates have completed the assessment, and but many candidates are facing in communication assessment. So how much to wait for communication? How much to wait for virtual interview, and how much to wait for interview result? So we are going to talk in this video. Okay. So here is a particular screenshot you can see on the screen. The assessment date for the Accenture is scheduled between 16th August to 4 September. So if you have not completed your Accenture assessment, so please wait till 4 September. Before 4 September, on 4 September, all your assessment will be cleared. Okay, like you will get assessment schedule. Okay, so 4 September is the last date. So please wait till there are 3 to 4 days left for 4 September. Okay, so 4 September तक का आपका assessment जो है वो 100% क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके, सो अगर आपको अभी तक के assessment का मेल नहीं आया तो आपको 4 September तक के वेट करना है. Now talking about second point about the communication round. Okay, so communication round is not an elimination round. Only cognitive and coding round is an elimination round. Communication round is not an elimination round. So if you have completed coding round and communication coding round and cognitive round, if you have got mail that you successfully completed and you cleared the coding round, okay, so then there will be 100% your communication round, and after that interview round. Okay, so no need to worry about it. If you completed first two round like coding and cognitive, there will be 100% your communication and interview round. Okay, so it may take time, but don't worry about anything. You will definitely get scheduled. Okay, your assessment and your interview will be scheduled. Okay, so not received interview mail. Okay, so if you have completed the communication but not received interview mail, as I've told you, like communication is not an elimination round, so there are 100% chances that you will receive interview mail. It may take time, but there are 100% chances that you will receive interview mail, so no need to worry about it. Okay, Accenture started interview process, but some candidates got interview, but but many candidates did not receive interview mail. But you will receive uh, in further days. Okay, like in September, all your interview will be clear, so no need to worry about it. It may take time because, as you all know, recently Accenture is hiring in bulk. Okay, so that's why it may take time, but your interview will 100% schedule, so no need to worry about it. And communication round is not elimination round. Coding round and cognitive round is an elimination round. Okay, so if you have not cleared the cognitive round, you will not get to see coding round, and if you completed the coding round, you will definitely get to see a communication round. Okay, but if you not clear the coding round, you will not get to see a communication round. Okay, so next point is waiting for communication round. As I've told you, like if you completed your coding round and if you clear the coding round, you will definitely get communication round. But if you're not getting communication round, there are chances that you will get a rejection mail because you have uh, not clear the coding round. Okay, but Accenture will mail you that you are selected or you are rejected, so no need to worry about it. If you clear, you will get communication, and after communication you will get interview mail, so no need to worry about anything. You will get mail, but it may take time, but you will get 100% mail. As I told you, like it is a bulk hiring, so there are many candidates who have participated. That's why they are taking a bunch, they are taking interviews and communication round in bunch. Okay, so it is not possible to take a communication round or interview round of each and every candidate in one go. Okay, so that's why they have divided you in slots, and they are taking communication round and interview round in slots. Okay, I hope you have understood. And the next point is not receive interview result. So there are some candidates who have completed their interview but not receive interview result. As I told you, this is a bulk hiring and interview result take time. Sometimes it can take up to 1 to 2 months also. Okay, so don't worry about interview result. If your interview performance is good, then definitely there are high chances that you will get interview selection. Okay, and the last point is rejection after interview. So there are very less chances that you will get rejection after the interview because you have cleared the first three rounds. First is cognitive, coding, and communication. Okay, communication is not an elimination, but then also you have cleared the first two rounds. That means you are qualified for this particular job. Okay, in interview, if your communication skills are good, okay, they will select you for interview. They will select your interview, they will qualify you for the interview. Okay, so there are very less chances for getting rejected during the interview. I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubt regarding Accenture recruitment process, comment down your problems and also connect with me on Instagram or Telegram. Thanks for watching this YouTube video till the end.